Are you ready to take the guesswork out of plant-based living? Well, I'm here to give you easy tips and strategies to help you thrive on a plant-based diet. So let's jump in. Today we're going to be learning how to make a raspberry cheesecake smoothie. It's plant-based and it's packed with healthy vitamins and minerals that are going to help keep you fuller for longer. First, we're going to put in a half a cup of cashews. Then we're going to add a cup and a quarter of raspberries. These can be fresh or frozen. A quarter cup of goji berries. Then we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. This is just to add in some healthy fats to our smoothie. And a cup of water. Now we're ready to blend. Once you've blended on high for about a minute, it's time to enjoy. So good. I hope that you guys enjoy your raspberry cheesecake smoothie guilt-free, and thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and please throw any questions or topics that you'd like to see on future shows in the comments below.